What about if I tell you that you can earn free cryptocurrency in a completely legitimate way? Doesn't it sound great? Well, that's called an airdrop, and I'm going to explain it in 2 minutes right now. An airdrop is when a blockchain project gives away free tokens, literally. There are two types of different airdrops. The first one is when users hold the cryptocurrency at one point in time. They take a snapshot of the whole blockchain and know who's holding and gives away a relative amount of the cryptocurrency compared to what they hold. For example, I was holding some NEO and recently I got free ontology tokens. And I was pretty glad because right after that, ontology kept rising. But why are blockchain projects giving away free cryptocurrencies like that? Well, in that case, it creates a community of fidelity by rewarding the loyalty of the users. Now, the second kind of airdrops is used to replace ICOs. If you don't know what an ICO is, we made a video about it, so make sure you check it out. So if you followed our weekly reports, you know very well that Google and Facebook banned cryptocurrency ads, especially ICOs. ICOs were used to launch a cryptocurrency project, and it did that mainly by using ads. But now that ads are banned, instead of giving money to Google and Facebook to run their ads, they're giving money to you to spread the word. In that case, you don't even have to hold any cryptocurrency to get some tokens. You just have to achieve some steps that they ask you to do, like following them on Twitter, and you will receive your tokens real soon. So as you can see, airdrops are really useful for these projects and you can profit from it. Where can we find some airdrops? Well, first, we need to get ourselves informed about the latest projects and news. I also advise you to take a look at airdrops.io, link in description, where you will see all the past, current and future airdrops, with a quick description of each airdrop and the steps you have to achieve to profit from it. You can also subscribe to our channel and we'll tell you about the hottest airdrops coming. Of course, you have to be careful. Never give your private keys or any other personal information. Also use a secondary email address. If they're asking you to send a certain amount to an address, be aware it's a scam. The whole point of airdrops is to get free cryptocurrencies. The only way you need money is to already hold some coins, but never to send it somewhere. Try to do your own research too. You don't need to do a lot of research, but at least try to find some people who reviewed the cryptocurrency and the airdrop or who already did it. Again, note that this industry is not regulated, so they have absolutely no reason in regard to jurisdiction to send you the amount they promised you, other than the trust that they're getting from you. So don't be surprised if you don't receive anything. That's it for this quick explanation, guys. If you want more like that, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.